It is a heavy truck.
Right?
Yeah.
That's why I go, Mark, are you sure he knows how heavy a Bronco is? An old Bronco?
Yeah, no, I've done this before. You know, I'm just saying because of the steepness of the hill and the
weight.
And the weight.
Yeah.
I can feel it on my truck too.
Oh, yeah, I bet.
Hey guys, Rhino here. So we're back on the road, and today, this morning, I got a call, and we're heading to Corona. There's a Bronco that doesn't want to start, and it needs to be pulled up a hill, so it can get to the pavement, you know, and get a AAA from there. So other than just pulling it, it doesn't seem to be a hard recovery. But we'll see once I get there. You know, I keep saying it's gonna be easy, but every time, you know, we have new challenges to overcome. So in this case, we're gonna be pulling up the hill, and it's gonna be that weight. So we'll see how it goes. And of course, you know, I'll keep recording once I get there, and thank you for coming along. Okay, I'm here. I got to the spot that the owner told me to. I don't see him here yet, but this is supposed to be the road that we gotta take. I don't know how though. It's locked. No trespassing. Only 2 passing. No trespassing. So I don't know. I'm guessing it's somewhere down there. Huh. Look at that. There's like a bridge over there. Anyway, let's see. The owner's here. Okay, so you own this land, or
what's that?
You own the land, or how do you have the key?
I don't know. I'm just a member of the club here.
Oh, all right. I see.
Just stop right here for a sec.
Mm-hmm.
Is it?
Oh, yeah. It locks when I put it on drive.
Oh yeah.
Okay, so the owner of the Bronco, he's part of this club right here that I show you. You know, the sign out there, and he had that combination to get in here. So let's go. Here we go.
Yeah, it's got a few little ruts in it, but it's not super bad.
Nothing bad. Okay.
Yeah. Just the grade was my concern a little bit right here, but I think
we should be fine.
You should be okay, right?
Yeah, we should be fine.
Yeah. It's just down around the bottom of the trees down there.
Okay.
And the biggest ruts are kind of like right where that big green bush is right in there.
All right.
That's like the biggest part of the ruts.
So you do target shooting down here?
Yeah, yeah. Archery.
Archery, yeah.
Bow and arrow, yeah. Yeah, it's a lot of fun, but not when you get stuck like this.
When did this happen though?
Yesterday.
Okay.
Yeah, my wife and I came down to go shoot.
Right.
And
That's it.
she said, wow, it feels like it just like shut off, and she didn't have like power steering or anything.
Okay.
So
now we need to figure out how to turn you around though.
So there's a big parking lot, like a big wider parking if you want to
pull you forward and then turn around.
Pull down there, and you could probably get it turned around down there.
Yeah.
And if not, there's an even bigger one that's a little bit further down.
All right, let's go. Let's hook you up and we'll figure it out.
Okay.
All right, so I think my best hooking point is gonna be here. Yeah, I think this is gonna be it because there's nothing else that I can hook up to. All right, let's go. All right, so we got them hooked up. We're gonna start pulling, and then we gotta climb up the hill. Well, first we gotta turn around, so let's go. All right.
Yeah.
Is it open?
Oh, there we go. Yeah, it
There's a handle right here, and there's one here. So whichever you want, right here.
Oh, right here. Okay. Yeah, that it doesn't have power steering, and I was driving it down, and I'm like, did I slip it into neutral somehow? What the heck? Because I was fighting it.
Right.
I'm like, I told him I got to the bottom of the curve, and I go, something's not right. And I'm like, it's not running. So that sucked. So the first place might not be big enough where these tables are.
Right.
The little turnout, I don't know what you think. There's like a parking so you could turn. If not, we can go down.
Yeah, I think we're gonna need a bigger one, maybe.
Okay.
Yeah, because my truck is kind of long.
Yeah, no worries.
So
then you're just gonna go straight across this bridge.
okay.
And
Yeah,
then-
most definitely. Let's go around.
This is too small, yeah.
Yeah. That's a nice bear though.
Yeah. Yeah. So
I'm guessing there's no animals to hunt around here.
no, it's
Alright.
just a target
Target practice.
yeah.
Oh, we gotta go up there.
No, you're gonna stay to
okay.
the left. We're definitely not. Oh, there's my phone. Oh, good. Yeah, so stay to the left here. Oh, looks like somebody's down there. I wonder if it's the guy we ran into on Saturday. We came and made it out. So this is the area.
Yeah.
Just turn around.
Right here. Let's go. Oh. He stepped on the
Oh, is this
on the
step?
road.
Oh.
Yeah.
He can't hear very well, so.
Okay.
I've got a lot of noise in the cab. He's got hearing aids, but they don't really work that well.
Yeah, it ended up being wide enough. Good.
That's good.
I come here often to Corona Hills.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, I do. I've done a bunch of recoveries over here. Yeah.
So there's another way in somewhere?
Oh yeah, there's plenty.
Okay. I didn't know.
There's plenty of ways. There's a bunch of off-roaders. You know,
Ah, okay.
always second. Yeah, we've been doing this for like 3 years.
Oh, good for you. That's a good side business. Well, we'll give you a good Yelp review.
Thank you. Where you found me at? Google?
Huh? Yeah, we live here in Corona.
No, you found me on Google?
Oh, found you on, I don't know, I saw you on Yelp.
Oh, Yelp? All right.
Yeah, but he saw something else.
Yeah, I had to go on forward low and first gear.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, now he's got no power steering, so.
That's all right. We're going slow enough for him to.
To steer it?
Yeah.
Now that's why I'm not driving it, because I was battling it through here.
It is a heavy truck.
Right?
Yeah.
That's why I go, Mark, are you sure he knows how heavy a Bronco is? An old Bronco?
Yeah, no, I've done this before. You know, I'm just
okay.
saying because of the steepness
Yeah.
of the hill and the
weight.
and the weight,
Yeah.
I can feel it on my truck too.
Oh, yeah, I bet.
Yeah, but we're good.
Okay, he'll have to unlock the gate there.
Yeah. Yeah, no problem. Don't worry. Just let me get a little more to the top and then we'll
Yeah,
stop.
and I can move my van because we'll have to set it up so that he can get it towed, right?
Yes, yes.
So I'll move my van. Maybe I'll go around and come back. What do you think? You're going to put the Bronco there?
However you want me to. Let's go check it out.
Let's ask him.
So there we go. We got it all the way up to the gate. So they're gonna open the gate. I'm gonna put it out. for them to call a AAA, and then they'll be going home. So again, thank you guys for watching our videos, and of course, as always, we'll see you next time.